Hey everybody, Jeff here and welcome back to the channel. Man, do we have some late breaking news here. So we have the Walmart Black Friday ads have been leaked and they are now up on blackfriday.com. So I wanted to come in here and show you them. So we have the first two here on the upper left of the screen. And they're, as you know, this year Walmart is piecemealing out the Black Friday for us. And so they're starting off on November 4th, and then I think there's more stuff on the 7th and then the 11th, and so they're basically spreading it out. So what I want to do is I'm actually going to start, let's see, on the 4th here, and let's see what we have. Now I want to see if they gave us the PDF links. Yeah, here's the scans. I'm going to see if that's going to be a little easier to read. All right, so the way this is going to work here, so this right here is actually going to start on November 11th. We'll do this one first here because I think this one had the better stuff in it. So right off the bat, you can see that TCL is going to have a 55-inch TV for $148. And they're going to have a 50-inch ONN for $128. Now, I don't know anything too much about ONN. I've had a few people tell me that TCL is okay. I myself prefer LG or Samsung, but I really do love the LGs, and I'm so spoiled by those magic remotes that I will never buy anything other than an LG again, because nothing beats that magic remote that acts just like the Wii, where you shake it and it moves the cursor around on the screen for you. Okay, now they have a special buy here on a Lenovo IdeaPad 3, and this one's going to be $149. Now, let's see what we got inside. Let's take a look inside here. So, yeah, they've got some other online deals. Now, these are online only here. And remember now, this one starts on Wednesday, November 11th. And these are online deals only. And then I believe in-store the next day on November 14th. So I think what happens is the deals start at 7 p.m. on Wednesday, November 11th. And then as soon as you hit midnight, now you're into November 14th. And then you can go in-store if your store is even open. Well, yeah, it says 5 a.m. local. But, you know, our stores, I don't think they're going to make any special hours. Our stores normally open at about 7 a.m. in the morning. All right, so let's see what else we got here. So we have an HP 14-inch 2-in-1. This one's $179. And they're saying that we're saving $120. So that looks like a pretty decent price there. Normally $299. Okay, moving on. What we have here is we got a Sunjo pressure cleaner. And that one looks to be like a pretty steep discount there. It's on the right side there on the upper right. That one is a 2000 PSI. This is electric. This is a corded unit. And this one is $79. So it was $169. And I guess it includes this kit here, which is pretty interesting because you'll get, looks like the soap foamer. And you'll also get that surface cleaner, which is pretty good. Now, I don't know how big that surface cleaner is. It looks like it might be kind of small, maybe 8 to 10 inches or something like that. But still, to get something like that included in is pretty cool. And see, that's a small enough and light enough one that you can pick that one up and do walls with it. So you can very easily clean your walls with that. All right, they got some Bluetooth speakers, don't care. I want to see what other goodies, if they got any other tools going on here. Because I know I saw there was some Hart in one of these. Don't care about the pajamas. Don't care about the clothes. So now it looks like we're into like November 14th anyways. But yeah, so it looks like they kind of spread things out. Oh, so here we go. So here's the Hart stuff. So the Hart starts online on November 14th. Okay. And then it starts the next morning whenever your store opens up. Now, this is an interesting kit here. They're practically giving away the farm here. I don't even know how they're making any money because this has to be one heck of a door buster. So you're getting this 4-tool combo kit here. You are getting a Sawzall, and it looks like an impact driver and a drill driver. And I believe that's a flashlight on the lower right. I'm not entirely certain, but that's what it looks like to me, maybe. And so you're getting the kit and you're getting the 2 batteries there, all for $118. Now this kit was $178 before. And you know, at Labor Day, when I went into Walmart and I showed you guys all there was no deals. I went in there to show you Labor Day deals, and there were no Labor Day deals, nothing on Hart anyway, but we had showed you some of the other closeout brands that they were discounting there and clearancing out from Walmart. So this is their one big tool deal here. It's a 4-tool kit, and I'm sure these are all brushed. These are not brushless tools here. Now, what I'm looking at here is, look at on the lower left at that Hyper Tough shop light, 5,000 lumens. Now, if that's an LED, I would get it. If it's not, I would not get it. But certainly $12, that's a massive savings, because usually these kinds of shop lights, you find them all the time at Costco and Sam's Club for about anywhere from $20 to $25. So to catch it at 12 is a pretty good steal, especially if you want to buy more than one for your garage. And then over on the right, they got their Shark Rocket Pro. That's their cordless stick vacuum there. So that is a cordless. You just put the battery on there. We have not tested that one yet, so we don't know how well that runs. But that's $110 off. Normally they charge about $249 for that particular vac. Let's see if they got any other tools for us. No. And yeah, so you know what? Don't, people. Okay, just don't. Don't buy any records. I don't know why the heck people are reverting back to the 70s and 80s and buying records again. It's just stupid. It was stupid then. They're stupid now, and you're never going to be able to sell them when you want to try to get rid of them. Because as soon as CDs came around, they kind of killed albums. And I don't know why they're coming back. And same thing with DVDs. I tell people, don't even bother buying DVDs anymore when you have the streaming stuff, you know, because now you're going to be stuck with a DVD that you can't get rid of, just like we are. We're stuck with dozens of old style DVDs that we can't get rid of, because every year they keep changing the formats. And what do you want to do? Do you have to keep buying Star Wars over and over and over again? I mean, I quit years ago. I didn't even buy any of the 4K versions, and especially now that we have Disney Plus. Why would you even need any of the Star Wars or Disney movies, you know? So, same with all these here too, like on the lower right there. All of those are Disney movies. If you have Disney Plus, there's no reason to buy any of those. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Some high-tech gear. What I like is that light on the lower right, because I have a light very similar to that one. I don't know how big this one is. Are they 12-inch? Yeah. So $20 is a pretty good price, because that one's like $37. And when I bought my ring light, probably around April or May, we couldn't even get them anywhere online. I had waited for a couple of weeks, and I finally got the last one that was available online from another company. Mine's a Neewer, Neewer. That's a professional brand. But to score this whole setup here for $20, that's a really good deal. I like that one. All right, let's see what else we've got here. Mostly like charging stuff. I would be really wary of these really low-priced cordless charging pads, because a lot of them really don't work very good. And I've tried many different ones, and a lot of them will not charge my phone through my OtterBox case. So that's a problem. Okay, now there's your deals on your iPhones. Those are older models. Keep in mind, they're not, I don't believe these are 5G, if you're looking for 5G. And by the way, don't fall for all of the hype on 5G right now, because right now, for the few networks that do actually have any 5G at all, they're going to make it look like, oh, you're getting this super fast, nationwide, blah, 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 blah. But in reality, the 5G hasn't really rolled out yet. It's only in a few major cities, and it's only going to start off at stadiums, like football stadiums or something, to begin with. So it could be the end of 2021 before you see it rolled out to the rest of the towers, because it's a whole major infrastructure change that they have to go through. Let's see if we got anything else. Yeah, so they're just showing you more discounted phones. So yeah, if you had a phone, like let's say you had a Galaxy A51 or an A31 or the Moto and yours broke, you can come back here and get them pretty cheap. Some of these are reasonably decent savings. $200 there on that Galaxy A51. Okay, what else? So here they're showing more of the see, now we're getting into the big stuff here. So you're starting to see like on the 7-day wireless event that's going to start on the 14th, they're giving you a $450 gift card if you buy an Apple phone. You can see that on the left. See that fine print under the Apple? And then the Samsungs, they're giving a $500 gift cards. Now, we see this a lot every year at Sam's Club. I've either bought our phones either all at Sam's Club or all at Costco in the past 5 years, because they do this every year, same type of thing. And so what it is they're giving you a break. You still have to pay the same price for the phone. They are not allowed to discount the phones. That's the problem. So they still have to charge you that full retail price on the phone. But what they're doing is they're giving you a gift card once you buy that phone. So it's sort of like, yeah, you're not really saving money. Maybe you are, maybe you're not. I mean, it's kind of a wash, but they are giving you back the $450 and they are giving you back the $500 on the Samsung there. So you just keep that in mind. You're still going to pay full price for the phone. That means don't figure out in your mind, oh, I'm getting $500 off, and so my monthly payments are going to be less. They are not. Your monthly payments will remain the same. That's typically the way it happens at Sam's Club, too. But it's always nice to get that little gift card there. So this is on the back page of their Black Friday ad. And so all of those phone deals that I showed you over the last few pages, those were at the tail end of the November 11th Black Friday ad. And remember, Walmart is phasing these in different weeks. Okay, so now that we covered the November 11th, let's take a look at the November 4th Black Friday ad for Walmart. Okay, so here they're showing a couple of TV deals here. But make sure that whatever TV you buy says 4K on it. So you see how they got this TV here for $228 special buy, and it's a Roku TV, and make sure that you see the 4K on there. The 42-inch TV down below here is not a 4K TV, so you want to be careful about that. A lot of the smaller TVs under 50 inches are quite often not 4K, and so you'll buy one of these thinking you're getting a 4K, and you're really not. You're getting a regular high def, which is probably not what you were looking for. The other thing is I want you to make sure that whatever TV you get says on the box whether or not it includes your favorite network. So let's say you were really looking to get Disney Plus. You want to make sure that you see that Disney Plus logo on your box there. Otherwise, chances are maybe you're not getting Disney Plus, because a lot of these TVs are very tricky with their apps and what they're allowed to support and what they don't support. And so if you're getting an old operating system on one of these, you could be in big trouble there. So I would make sure that you get a TV where it says on the box, like your Netflix, if that's what you have, Amazon Prime, and Disney Plus, the harder ones to get. You want Roku built in. You want all of this stuff already built in. You don't want to have to use a box on the outside of your TV anymore. That's the whole idea behind buying the newer smart TV. So that's why I bought like the newer, I bought the LG OLED over the summer, the CX 55-inch, beautiful TV. Of course, it was $1,400 too. Okay, so let's see what we got inside. So again, these start on Wednesday, November 4th, and they start at 7 p.m. online only, and then they'll start in store the next morning as soon as they open. Okay, so we're stepping up into, we've got some bigger stuff here. This is the MSI gaming computer. So this is $799. And so you're saving about almost $200 on that one. And we got the HP Pavilion i5. Now remember, these are lightweight computers. These are, you get what you pay for in life. So when you're spending only, $400, $500, $600, $700, you're not getting the fancier cores, except for on that big MSI one. At least there you're getting a Core i7, and you are also getting the NVIDIA Gale Force built into it. So yeah, of the two computers, I would probably go with that MSI one, because anything with a Core i5 is going to be slow. Alright, so here on the next page, okay, so look at this on the lower left here, this special buy from Hart. This 6-gallon, 5 horsepower wet dry vac for $29. Oh, that is a special buy, but they aren't saying what it normally goes for. Yeah, if that thing works, I mean, if it's got 5 horsepower, and 6-gallon is a good size. You know, I regret buying, I don't know if I got the 10, no, I think I might have gotten the 14-gallon last year, and it's too big, because I never suck up any kind of a water like that. I don't ever suck up 14 gallons of water. So if I had it to do over, I would get either the 6 or 10 gallon, and something like this that's metal too. I mean, this one looks really nice, but I mean, man, in terms of a vacuum, you can't beat that price for a Jop Vac type vacuum. Okay, now let's look at these other two vacuums in the upper right here. So we have the Shark Navigator is $98. That's $100 off. They normally charge about $200 for that one. And then the other vacuum that's up there next to it, that's the Hoover Wind Tunnel. So that one is $48. That's normally about $90. It's about half off or so. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, nothing on this page. More toys. More toys. Oh yeah, so now they're doing the 7-day tire event too. And this is pretty good too, because they start on November 7th. And it looks like if you buy a set of 4 tires, you get $80 off. Plus, they're doing $48 off the mounting and balance, which can bring your total savings up to $128. Now that to me, I think that's only on the Goodyear tires that they're doing that. And normally Costco and Sam's Club run deals like this all year long. It's like every other month. It's, you know, one month it's the Michelin tires that are on sale. The next month it's like Goodrich or some other brand that's on sale. So we've always bought our tires at Costco or Sam's Club for like the past at least 20 years. And with our cars, and yours might be the same, typically they don't stock the tire. So you have to order it and then book an appointment to install your tires for you. So you typically will pay for them all up front, and then when they come in, they install them for you. So just double check on that. Don't expect, well, I'm going to go in and get tires today. You might get lucky. You might not get lucky. Just be aware of that. Okay, and that's it for the November 4th and November 7th deals. Put the F thing back here. F11. And go. Well, that's what we have here so far for the Black Friday deals. The other ones from the remainder of the month of November have not been leaked out yet. This is all we have for now. But as soon as we get them, we'll let you know. We'll see if they put any more tools in there. Okay, and then just this evening, we just launched this video right here on how to repair damaged subfloor with self-leveling concrete. So we covered 3 different cases here where there was some real severe issues with the subfloor. And then this other video right here, this was from our live stream the other night. If you haven't entered our giveaway yet, this is our 100,000 subscriber giveaway where we're giving away all 15 of these different tools here. And so you want to make sure you've got your name entered, because it expires on Sunday night at 8 p.m. and we will reconvene and do another live stream on Sunday at 8 p.m. and we will announce the winners at that time. So make sure you get in here and watch this video. Well, that's it for this one, folks. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.